Hello, I'm Barb Baldwin.
And I'm Christina Baldwin.
And together, we're SunnyDay Sessions with the Baldwins. In our private creative community, we share weekly project tutorials.
These include both a video tutorial as well as a step-by-step PDF tutorial.
You'll find a library of hundreds of tutorials,
ranging from fun fold cards
to cards featuring artistic techniques to elevate your skills.
You'll even find 3D items. Many of them are perfect for the holidays.
Mini albums, perfect for gift giving or just keeping for yourself.
And we can't forget about 12x12 scrapbook layouts.
We'd love to have you join for a fun creative journey with weekly doses of inspiration through our tutorials.
And did we mention that there are also monthly card sketches too?
It's so much fun. We can't wait to see you inside the group.
To learn more and to sign up, visit sunnydaymemories.com and click on Creative Community.
And just like the card says, the s'more, the merrier.